Walk, keep on walking straight, straight to the hell we made. Why always a wall, babe, when we wanna come closer? Don't tell 'em.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Hergivenhair. As you can see on the box, that's the box that you guys get, and of course you saw that I got it via DHL, and it took like 2 or 3 days to get to me. So inside of your nice sturdy sliding box, you get some care instructions. Of course you get your wig, and inside of the package that I'm about to show you now came some, what did they send? They sent some elastic bands and also some hair clips and some hair combs. So this is the Kinky Curly Lace Front 13x6 wig. I got mine in a natural color, which is a 1B, and my cap size is a medium. So it does have 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, along with adjustable straps, and they did go ahead and sew on an elastic band, and that elastic band is also adjustable. So this is what this cute wig looks like straight out of the box. Oh my god, it's so pretty, y'all. I really did not think I would like this wig so much, but I do, because it just looks so natural. Of course, I already cut off the lace, and believe it or not, I do not have this wig adhered to my head. So don't be alarmed by that little part that you see. That's only my wig cap, you guys. So that's the only reason why you could see it. If I had a wig cap on that was closer to my complexion, I probably wouldn't have had to try to blend it in as much as I did, but I think I did a pretty good job. It just looks like a parting space in the wig, but the wig looks super natural and I absolutely love it. So just to give this wig a little more shine and just a little bit more body, you know, just make it look alive, I went ahead and added my OGX argan oil mousse. I absolutely love this stuff. I've had it for so long, but I'm just starting to use it with my curlier units, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, like, it's giving the wig so much luster. I'll try to leave the link down below so you guys can check that out. So I also added some water just to elongate the hair a little more, because it's rather short. I believe this wig is about 14 inches. I'm not quite sure, because it's a curly unit. I'm quite sure if I blew it out or straightened it, it would be much longer. But yeah, you guys, this is the final look. It's so cute. It looks so natural. I saw my daughter earlier. We passed by in the hallway, and she was like, "Mom, that wig looks super natural." And I was like, "Thank you." I thought so too, but it's really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell twice to be updated on all of my videos. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.